Hi, myself Mitali Palkar. I have recently started my startup with the brand name as Biryani and Me. This is our first venture that when I say we are a partnership firm. We have formed an LLP company. Before coming up to this profession, I was working as an admin and procurement head in numerous companies. Lucky enough to have all Fortune 500 companies to work with, and with a huge experience of 20 years, a corporate experience of 20 years, that helped me a lot to have this experience, this rich experience, to take this venture to a very different level, coming up to where and how I started this from. So I always had a passion of serving food to my friends, to my families. That eventually went to my business, and I moved up to, a place where it has its own inventory, it has its own stock, it has its own separate P&L, where I could actually understand what my price or the cost of making goes to. One of my very old friend, he came up with an idea saying that, Mitali, I'm doing something of my own. I'm planning to do something of my own. I said, what are you doing? I mean, what exactly are you opening? He said, I'm thinking of doing some restaurant or a cloud kitchen. Now that how it clicked to me, bang on. So that's how we both met each other, and this moved to a partnership firm.
I've always dreamed of having a restaurant for myself, growing it into a restaurant chain all over India. That was like a passion. I never thought that I would one day seriously get into it. Thanks to one of my partners, Mitali, and one more partner, Sujata, who were quite motivated. We met and we discussed that we want to do this. Mitali was already into the food business. She had her own thriving food business, and we both are very, what do you say, we're like big time foodies, and we have a big love for biryani. But somehow, whenever we used to order biryani or go for biryani, we somehow found that lacking, and that's where we found the gap. That okay, maybe the demand is a lot for biryanis, but there are hardly any outlets which serve good biryanis, consistently. So the key is being consistent. What I've seen is that there are so many brands who have grown big, but then the quality drops. Our brand is totally built on a promise of maintaining freshly dum cooked or serving freshly dum cooked biryanis, sticking to the quality of ingredients, maintaining separate veg and non-veg preparations.
And that's how a seed of Biryani and Me, actually bloomed. Then after several, meetings, we were like almost meeting every day. We thought like, this area has a lot of home residence area. Shall we go there? There is locations where there are a lot of corporate offices. Should we go there? I mean, these are the normal questions which probably every startup company would be thinking, but I couldn't find any tutorial of this where anybody giving you a gyan or some information about it, like how to start. Starters, of course, was my own made. So I, being a CKP coming from Chandrasenia Kayastha Prabhu, we have a lot of original delicacies which we make, which is loved by all. I wanted to put that on a platform, serve to all. I am so happy to include all those items, food items in my menu today, and I see a lot of good feedbacks on this. So coming back to my journey, how did I started? I mean, how this place came into my life, I would say, because this is my first outlet that we have opened, and it's a long journey to go. Then we decided, like when we tried to inquire about the pricing on what's the rental prices for this location, we went back to our houses saying that's not working for us. Then we got to know, we talked with a lot of agents, though realistic, but your dream world, right? This is where I want my location to be. came to a line where I need a location which is my budget friendly, which is my pocket friendly. That's how we reached here. We are currently located at Brahman, which is backside of Hiranandani Estate, opposite to Grofu. And we started this almost 1.5 years now. Then our quality starts speaking. Then we got a lot of word of mouth references. We were surprised to know how our customer base is increasing over this a year. Within a year we were very blessed to get a lot of customers. Like, then we eventually understood the process of having systems on place. We understood that we have almost 80% of our repeat customer ratio, which is a very good ratio in food industry. So we were very plus on that. So we expanded very organically. We got an opportunity to do CKP Fest, Food Fest, and Biryani Food Festival, which helped us a lot in you know making our brand awareness. So Biryani and Me reached to people at that time at a very larger space. For us also it was a very huge experience, but we enjoyed a lot thanks to Biryani Festival. With their efforts we were able to do a lot of customers in Thane. So we finalized this location, and then the next question was on the machinery or the equipments that is at most necessary. So any startup, whosoever is getting a new businesses, should understand that your fixed cost at initial stage should be very low. So we then decided, like, instead of going for all first-handed material, we went for all equipments that you can see in my kitchen is all second-hand. And I can tell you this proudly because all equipments were tried, tested, checked. Now I'm talking about a gas station, I'm talking about a refrigerator, which is like a double refrigerator that I have. It's a huge cost, if you go and see and buy new. Now you are new in market, so same was my feeling, and that worked me a lot because my capital was saved like huge. I can't even give you a number on it, but yes, it has saved a lot. We then try to put everything into place, try to make our kitchen look. We hired few people, we took a lot of interviews, we have got a lot of references through jobhai.com, naukri.com. We did a lot of interviews of chef. We wanted to find someone who is staying nearby, someone who could give it so his own expertise that he has already worked with. Believe me, nothing works for you. Whatever you think, nothing works for you. So we had to really struggle on that. We always had to give taste to our customers, that we know this is what people are searching for. So all my biryanis are freshly dum cooked biryani. You will never find made biryani in a big burtan. It's ready and it's just number of plates people are ordering and I'm just giving it from the same cooked biryani. So all my biryanis, whether it is coming from Swiggy, whether it is coming from Zomato, or it is coming from my website or any takeaway, we tell them that our cooking time is 20 minutes, 25 minutes. It's not a rat race, how fast you can deliver, how quick you can deliver. It's not a competition, it's a food that we are talking about. According to me, food is a craft. According to me, food is a science. It has to be cooked, it has to be properly done, and then only you can actually relish, you can enjoy that aroma of the spices, the mixture of the rice, cooked rice, and then of course on top of it you will see each my biryani has a real kesher water, my essence, my kevra essence, my rose essence that goes into it. It has actual pure ghee which we procure. Now we have very restrictions on where are we buying these all our ingredients also. We ensure that each ingredients that I am procuring is on every second day. Every second day my new inventory is being purchased. It takes a lot of efforts for us to give this sincere efforts of understanding what real taste is. Even my starters, so if you see my cheese corn tikki, it's like real melting, pull, a cheesy pull, which I have not seen in many, which is I can see frozen, lot of frozen products which are readily available. You can just fry and you can sell it, but it's not the way that Biryani in Me operates. Always you will find my all ingredients, my all home cooked. Sorry, now I can say not home cooked, but my kitchen cooked. Earlier, of course, it was my home cooked, so it is in my mind always. But same has come to this location. This is now my second home. You will find me always here. So yes, everything is made here, freshly made here, all fried in refined oil. The quality is assured. I will repeat again. If you are having biryani in morning, you can have biryani in night for a dinner. Next day morning again you can have biryani. This is how the biryani, my quality or my type of biryani you can crave for. So you can try your own. So as I said, when you are a startup, for your brand to be aware, that Swiggy and Zomato today are a good aggregators in terms of network, because they have a lot of delivery boys, they have a lot of locations that they can reach into, but are eventually you will realize that are you really doing or doing your business for yourself, or you are working for Swiggy and Zomato? Because when their ultimately payout comes, you realize, हाथ में तो कुछ नहीं मिला. So that doesn't work, right? It has to be win-win situation, because when you are making your own stuff and selling on a platform, I understand there is a need, or there is a lot of efforts that has gone by these aggregators to spread this. But the commission pattern today, but the campaign, advertising campaign, the advertising cost, their taxation, these all makes this entire package so huge. It's difficult for us to, get ourselves, out from that wish list. The name I'm using wish list is because initially you will get tempted, because you are getting lot of orders. You are getting lot of orders from Swiggy, because तुम ad चला रहे हो ना. You are also giving discounts on your own products to the customer, thinking because customer will benefit out of it. However, end of the day, though your number of people, your number of orders has increased, still ultimately is what is the goal? हाथ में क्या बचता है? Nothing. Also, we do not know who is the customer. We never get customer database. We never get where this order is coming from, and this has to change very soon. So how I got to know about Misrat is, as everybody do, I was also scrolling my Insta, and I found a nice video made of Adi's dining, and a new young chap giving his interview with a confidence really, inspired me a lot. So I thought, why not? I mean, even if 100 of my viewers are seeing this, and even 1% of people are getting inspired out of it. So thanks to Misrat, it's really working.
So, okay, so I've always been a sales guy in my earlier professions, in my corporate jobs, So I always loved meeting people. So when we started this, and when customers started coming to us and ordering food, okay, and the kind of praises that we received, people used to come and tell us, give us their feedback of what they liked, what they didn't like. That was a very different level of experience, So there is this senior citizen customer who lives alone, okay, and it becomes very difficult for her to make food a lot of times. She once, by chance, she came over this side and she ordered food. We made her sit inside because we did not want her to stand. She's a very senior citizen. She took the food home and she liked it so much that she bought her not entire, I would say, maybe 10-15 neighbors from her building to our store and made them taste our product. And since then, she has been our brand ambassador. Now she doesn't order from anywhere else. She says, मुझे और कहीं से नहीं चाहिए, आप मुझे भेजो, चाहे कितना टाइम लगेगा, जो भी लगेगा, मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है, मुझे आपके यहाँ से ही खाना है. So you know, I really felt happy about it. She's a senior citizen. She is Mrs. Chakraborty. She lives close by, and that's about it. So thank you, Mrs. Chakraborty, for loving us. We love you too.
So it's too early for me to advise someone, but definitely yes. For anyone who is looking out for starting their own setup, do have a detailed knowledge about it. Do understand that none of the business can run without you. Your presence, your 100% is the essential in any of the business, whether it's food business or any of the businesses. But start, because unless you start, you will not realize there's always not a good time. There's always a starting is a good point. You have to just start and you will see the beauty of it. It will flow. Do have good big dreams, manifest for it, go for it. Thank you.